Hi everyone, this is Adele from Docswrite, and today I'm going to explain to you how you can publish your Google Doc document to Contentful via Docswrite. So I will show you right now all the step by step how to connect your site to Docswrite and how to publish it directly. So let's start. So first of all, just to show you here, so this is Contentful, so you will need to create an account. And after this is how you are going to get it, and you just need to content model, okay? Then here you will need to create a content type, and you will need to create a new content type, okay? So you have the possibility to create a new one or to generate content type with AI. So we are going to do this one, it's more easier. And here you will need to write exactly the information that I'm going to give you to be able to publish directly and to recognize that Docswrite can recognize the document. So you're going to write blog posts. After you are going to write categories. After excerpt. After we have title, slug. You have feature image. After you have author, it's important that you write it as a text because if not, you will not write it. And after you need to write content. Okay, so this is the information that you need to put it. After, of course, you can choose the one that you want to do it, but for this example is the best. So now I'm going to generate. And this is what you're going to get. Okay, so here long text, short text, long text. Why I put here as a text for the author? Because if not, it's going to be a reference and you won't be able to customize it. For example, if I'm the author of one of the article, I won't be able to write Adele. So that's the point. Okay, so now you just need to create. Perfect. Now you check that everything is correctly in base as you want. If not, you will be able to delete. You can as well add some field if you suddenly you saw that you forgot something. Okay, you can delete, you can duplicate. And here, don't forget to save all the time when you are changing something or adding something. Don't forget to save it because if not, it will not be synchronized. So here, saved, everything is working. Now I need to connect a Contentful to Docswrite. So this is how we're going to do. Here, okay, I'm going to my account. To be able to have more sites, you need to be on the second plan, which is like the business plan. So here you can connect your website, your site. So you're not going to do via WordPress, but via Contentful. Next. So here you need to take all the information. Thanks here, you have small helps where to get all the information, okay? So let's do it one by one. So space ID, so you can find it, the space ID in the Contentful setting in the space settings. So let's do it. So space ID, Contentful settings. So here I'm going to the settings and I'm going to general settings. And here I can find my space ID. So I just copy paste and I copy paste here. Perfect. After the access token, so generate an access token in settings, API, content delivery. So I need to go now to API keys. I will generate another one. Okay, and I will just add this one. And here you have all the information. So content delivery API, this is this one that you are going to take. And you just copy. Here we go. And after you need to go to management token. So you need to create a management token. So it's in settings, CMA, content management token. So I'm going back there, CMA token. And here I will just create a new one. It's going to go up. I will generate one and I will just copy paste. Okay, so that's very easy. All the information, you get it here. Okay, you just need to follow, just need to generate all the time and you have all the information. Okay, and if now it's going correctly, everything is connected. Connected, that's amazing. Okay. So I just need up to refresh. And here you see this is the one that I just had with the GQ. Perfect. And now I want to publish my documents. So I'm going to my dashboard as usual, and I want to publish from Docswrite. Okay, and I want to take this document, for example. I will select. And here, this is how you do it based on the Contentful. So you need to go to Content Model and Configuration. You select. You will take the one that you just created, which is this one. We just created this one. And here, you have few possibilities to check. So the title, you can or customize the title or it will be already auto-mapped. Okay, so my title is about how can I turn that's it. Can you turn a Google Doc into a Google form? Okay, so this is going to be my title. The slug, it's auto-mapped as well, so it's going to be exactly the same, except I don't need to do categories, authors. So see, because now I make it as a text before, I can customize the text. So I can put that I'm the author of that, which is true. And here features the image. So as you can see here in my document, I want that this image is going to be the first image. So I'm just going to select first image as feature image. Perfect. And now, very important, you want your content. So here in content, you are going to choose main content, okay, which is going to be the content that you put on your Google Doc. And after, just need to publish. So here, save as a configuration. You can decide it before if you want, meaning that the next document that you are going to use it is going to be exactly the same configuration that we just did here. So for example, that the author is going to be Adele, that all the time the first image is going to be the feature image and with the main content. So if you want, you can just write, okay, the main settings, for example, and you just write. Right now, we're just going to skip and publish it. Okay, and you are going to get directly your Google Doc that published on Contentful using Docswrite. So we want to see it. And this is my document. So as you saw, you know the title that I told you before, they just took it from my Google Doc with the slug that they created automatically. I have here the author. If I want, you will be able to change it if you want with the image. And you have exactly the same formatting that there is in our in the Google form that I created just before. Here you go, and you can change the status, you can do what you want, you can publish and publish. You do as you want. And the same here, if, for example, you want to unpublish or to delete, you can do exactly the same. So thanks to that, I succeed to save 0.5 hours, which is very good. And it was very easy. So this blog as well, I want to show you that we can do a bulk publishing. So I want to show you that you can take few at the same time. So for example, I want this two. I'm going to select it. And see the select model here, I will choose the one that we did it together before. And here is going to be the same. So you just, because I didn't save before, I would just need to put select. So this one is auto map directly, no need to change. I want to custom, I want to put Adele. Feature image is the same. And the main. And just going to publish. And now you will be able to publish multiple articles at the same time directly with one click, with the same settings that you did before if you want. And it's saving a lot of time, I can tell you. Here we go. So one was published and we are waiting for the second one. And perfect. So this is the two documents that we just did it. And both of them, let's do this one that I didn't present to you. And it's exactly the same with the title, the slug, the author is the same. I decided to take this one with the pictures, and you have exactly with all the pictures. So all the pictures are included inside, which is very important. You have some link here. If you check, you have a link, and you have the FAQ. So I hope you will understand exactly everything, the step by step, and we hope to see you soon using Docswrite. Bye.